Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A fundraiser sells candles for $6 each. The club has already raised $45 from donations. They need to raise more than $150 in total. Part A. Write an inequality to represent the situation where C is the number of candles sold. Part B. Solve the inequality. Part C. What is the minimum number of whole candles the club must sell? Explain your reasoning. Part D. Graph the solution on a number line. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Let's break down the problem. The club earns $6 per candle sold, plus they already have $45 in donations. Their total must be more than $150. Since it's strictly more than, not equal to, we'll use the greater than symbol. Here's the number line graph. The open circle at 17.5 shows that 17.5 itself is not included because the inequality is strictly greater than. The orange ray extends to the right, showing all values greater than 17.5. Remember, for whole candles, the answer starts at 18. Part A, the total raised equals 6 times C plus 45. For that total to be more than 150, we write 6C plus 45 is greater than 150. To isolate 6C, subtract 45 from both sides. 150 minus 45 equals 105. The inequality symbol stays the same because we only subtracted, we did not multiply or divide by a negative number. Divide both sides by 6. 105 divided by 6 equals 7.5. C must be greater than 17.5. Since C must be greater than 17.5 and candles come in whole numbers only, we round up P18. Selling 17 candles gives only $147, not enough. Selling 18 candles gives $153, which is indeed more than 150. So the minimum number of whole candles is 18. To summarize, Part A, the inequality is 6C plus 45 greater than 150. Part B, solving gives C greater than 17.5. Part C, since candles must be whole numbers and 17.5 is not a whole number, the minimum is 18 candles, and we verify 6 times 18 plus 45 equals 153, which is indeed greater than 150. Part D, graph an open circle at 17.5 and shade to the right. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.